So there's our nice new load of oak. Very nice. Shouldn't take us too long to spread that stuff.
So,
That's all. It's nice mulch.
so our friend Elo Santos.
Hello, everybody.
Hi.
He's a great tree trimmer for the area. Pasco, Hernando. Do you go down to Pinellas?
Hillsborough, Pinellas.
And he does giant oak trees, and I think Joey has done a film on all the big logs we have.
Yeah.
And
Part one.
he brings us this oak mulch, and then we drive on top of it, wet it down, and it makes a terrific parking pad. We can put 6 trailers on back here, and anyway, that would not have been possible if it wasn't for Mr. Santos and bringing us mulch.
We've known each other for what, 2 years now?
3 or 4.
Three.
I think since the hurricane Irma.
Yeah.
That's when we met.
Yes.
Could be.
So it's been a while, and so if you have any needs of trimming trees or cutting down huge trees,
Small trees, big trees, trimming, taking down,
and if you want
removals.
mulch for your garden, he's the man to call. And we'll put all the information down below.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
Yep.
Thank you, guys.
Yep.
So, Dad. Yeah. I think we're gonna have to revise our plan a little bit.
Oh.
Like, just a little.
You recording? Taking pictures?
Oh yeah. You're on candid camera.
Nice.
Holy. I'll have to bleep that one out.
Yes, it is.
Hey Elo, this still isn't the big tree?
No, it's not the big tree.
Are you sure?
We got a bigger one coming next 2 weeks.
Bigger than that?
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh yeah, way bigger.
Way bigger, he
Yeah. See,
says.
this was the base of the tree. The other one is probably twice as big as that. It's probably like this big all the way around.
Oh wow.
So.
That's crazy.
Yes, sir.